Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle. So this is the vehicle in question. This is our approved used Audi Q4 E-Tron 50 Quattro. In this particular example, it's also finished in the optional Geiser grey metallic paintwork, in which has really made this vehicle stand out. Now, as we look towards the recent service history, this vehicle did have a new car PDI on the 6th of the 3rd, 23, and has recently had a used car MPC check here at Stafford Audi on the 4th of the 12th, 2023. Moving on now to the exterior key features of this vehicle, where we do find the gorgeous LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Moving down towards the wheels now, where we do find these fantastic 20-inch 5 wide-spoked alloy wheels, finished in a two-tone graphite grey, and they do really complement the lovely paintwork. Moving to the side of the vehicle now, where we do also find that rear privacy glass, in which does keep those rear occupants from view, thus creating a lovely contrast. Now moving into the rear boot capacity of the Audi Q4, where we do find up to 530 litres of storage capacity. It's a large amount for an electric vehicle of this size. This can easily take 2 larger suitcases, as well as a few additional bags. Moving into the rear seats now, where we do find a part leather interior with the additional cloth elements also in the centre. There is also ISOFIX points neatly located across the back row. The upgraded Sonos sound system does carry on into the rear of the cabin, but it's more than enough leg space to carry 3 occupants comfortably. Moving into the front now, where we do find a very well designed and futuristic cabin with a large amount of nap leather, as well as the satin aluminium interior trim. With this being the S-line specification, it does also mean that the Audi Sport S logo is dotted throughout this lovely interior cabin, and does also feature on the 2 front seats. Looking towards the driver's view now with the vehicle, where we do find this E-Tron specific squared off steering wheel, which has also featured the haptic buttons at either side. Above now we do find our virtual cockpit display, and that does feature the 2 digital rev counters. Now when pressing the view button on the left hand side, you can also change the view with the virtual display. Below the steering wheel now we do find a store for the speed limit assist, as well as the automatic cruise control, which is perfect for those longer motorway journeys. Now looking towards the centre of the dashboard, we do find this very impressive touchscreen display, in which is also featured the satellite navigation, which is perfect for getting to A to B with route guidance. Moving just below this now, we do also find the equally impressive dual zone climate control. It is very easily adjustable, and the heated seat functionalities are located either side of this for both front passengers. To the screen above once again now, where we do also find the reversing camera, as well as the 360 surround sensors, making the Q4 much easier to park in those tighter spaces. So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.